Hi students, I had taught yesterday few questions that was related to polar form. In that series, few more questions I want to teach today. These two questions are taken from the question number 4 of ML Agrawal, and these two questions taken from the question number 6. Question is same, that convert the following complex number is in polar form. That so process is the same. So let us start one by one. First I am going to start the first part. 2. Can you say this 2 is the complex number? Yes, this is complex number. This 2 we can represent in this form, that 2 plus iota into 0. So this is complex number. To represent into polar form, what we have to need? We have to need two things. Number 1, r which is equal to modulus of z. Second is that you have to need that theta. What is the theta? Theta was the argument of complex number or amplitude of complex number. That theta we have to measure in the anti-clockwise for the positive. If we measure clockwise, that will be negative, and that theta should be belong minus pi to pi. This is the principal value. That also मैंने बताया था कि this theta means argument of complex number depend on the quadrant. So we have to see quadrant कि किस quadrant में lies करता, first, second, third, fourth. If we talk here about this, x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. If we compare z is equal to x plus iota y, so we will find that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Yes? This is the x-axis and this is y-axis. X is equal to 2. This will lie on the x-axis because y value here 0. So this will lie, suppose that this is the 1, 2. So coordinate will be 2, 0. So that point P will lie on x-axis with coordinate 2, 0. So what will be argument of here complex number? That will be equal to 0. Because argument of angle, argument of complex means that theta will be angle between the line which form from the origin to the point and with x-axis. So here this OP already along to axis x. So there will be no angle will be 0. So argument of complex, this will be 0. Let's find R what is modulus z, and what is modulus z? Under root x square plus y square. So we have to write here under root x square plus y square, x value 2. So that will be 2 square plus 0 square, that is equal to under root 4, which is equal to 2. It means R came here 2. So to convert into polar form, we have to need this R, and what is need? That argument of complex number. Both came. So we have to convert how? As we know, Z is equal to R cos theta plus iota sin theta. Put r value here 2. So that will be 2 cos 0 plus iota sin 0. How is it? This is the in the form of polar form. And what is this? This is the argand plane. Argand plane. So already P is here, that for what? That is for that 2 plus iota 0. So also this will be represented on the argand plane, that this is useless here. Remove. Now take for the second part. Second part, iota. Is it complex number? Yes. For the complex number there should be two parts. Two parts. One is the real part and second is the imaginary part. So let's check it. Iota. We can write here 0 plus iota. If we compare here with x plus iota y, so x equal to 0 and y equal to what will be? 1. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So can you say on which axis this lies? Because x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So this will lie on y axis. This is the x axis, that is y axis. y1, suppose 1 is here, this is the P. So what will be coordinate? 0, 1. Coordinate of that will be P, 0, 1. Yes. So if we see the angle from x axis, we will find that is pi upon 2. So argument of this complex number will be pi upon 2. Other what is needed? You have to needed r. So r mean that modulus of z, if this is the z, so that will be equal to 0 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1. So now r came, theta came, so write in polar form z equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. Now what is r value? 1. Theta value pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Yes, so this was the this is the answer, mean that in the polar form. Now third, take the third. For the third, first we had to write this in the standard form. What is standard form? Write in a plus iota b form. That to write this, what we have to do? We have to multiply by its conjugate, mean that 5 minus root 3 iota in numerator and in denominator. That. So let's see. Third part, 2 plus 6 root 3 iota upon 5 plus root 3 iota. I am going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, 5 minus root 3 iota upon 5 minus root 3 iota. Right? Multiply it. What will be? If we multiply, you will find that 2 5 ja 10 minus 2 root 3 iota. 2 5 जा 10 minus 2 root 3 iota. Now 6 5 जा 30 plus 30 root 3 iota. 6 5 जा 30 root 3 iota minus, look here, 6 root 3 iota, root 3 iota. Root 3 into root 3, what will be 3? So 6 3 ja 18 iota into iota, what will be iota square. So here we can write 18 iota square, right? I hope that multiplication is corrected. Whole upon a plus b, a minus b, 5 square minus root 3 iota square. Yeah. Now iota square value minus 1. Here also we have to put iota square value minus 1. So from next line, 10 minus 2 root 3 iota plus 30 root 3 iota is equal to 28 root 3 iota plus 20 root 3 iota. 20 root 3 iota. Then, so here minus 18 iota square value we have to put minus 1. So minus minus became plus here. So write 18 overall upon 5 5 ja 25. Look here, iota square, that is minus 1, minus minus plus root 3 square, that will be 3. So I have to write here plus 3, right? Now next line, 10 and 18, what will be 28 plus 28 root 3 upon 28. Yes, I think that up to here there is no doubt. What will be here common? 28. One thing, iota I left here to write that. 28 root 3 iota. 28 can take the common. So that will be 1 plus root 3 iota upon 28. This 28 cancel. Right? Now your that complex number came in the standard form 1 plus root 3 iota. Right? Now this you have to convert into polar form that. So let's see. अब देखना कि ऑलरेडी आप जानते हैं. So let's see how can you convert this. Okay. 1 plus root 3 iota. This is the standard form, a plus iota b. If we compare with x plus iota y, so x is equal to y 1 and y equal to root 3. This we found that two value. Both are positive. X positive and y positive. Can you say what is the quadrant? That will be in the first quadrant because both are the positive. ठीक, चलिए दोनों positive हो गए. Okay. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to, suppose that here root 3. So your point will be here p1 root 3. This is if theta, argument of complex number theta, that is we have to find a theta. बहुत आसान है. हमने एक सिंपल वे में बताया था कि tan निकाल लीजिए, tan कैसे, mod ऑफ द y अपॉन x, अदरवाइज यू फाइंड दैट x in the form of cos theta and in the form of sin theta, उस फॉर्म में ले जाइए तभी सही है। सो टू फाइंड दैट tan थीटा, हमने यहाँ क्या लिया आर्गुमेंट, थीटा लिया, डायरेक्ट थीटा ही होगा। tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू y अपॉन एक्स, पॉजिटिव आएगा, इसको मानकर चलिए कि पॉजिटिव में लेना है। y मीन्स √3 अपॉन 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू √3, so tan theta equal to √3, for which angle this will be satisfied, this will be satisfied for 60 degree, it means that theta is equal to pi upon 3, because tan 60 is equal to under √3, so theta is equal to pi by 3, so this came pi by 3. Now we have to represent in polar form, so okay, क्या मिल गया, आर्गुमेंट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर मिल गया। r चाहिए, r के लिए चलिए r भी निकाल लिया जाए, r इज इक्वल टू √x² प्लस y स्क्वायर दैट इज √1 प्लस √3 स्क्वायर, व्हाट विल बी 3, and 3 plus 1 what is 4, √4 that is equal to 2, right? So r came and theta came, so we have to write this r in cos theta plus iota sin theta into polar form. r here, what is r, where came, here 2 came, so z equal to 2 cos pi upon 3 plus iota sin pi upon 3. This is the polar form. This was the third part, third question. Now last question we have to discuss, that also having the same method. Let's see. 1 minus 7 iota upon 2 plus iota whole square. From M.L. Agrawal, this two part is from the question number 4 and this two part is from the question number 6. 1 minus 7 iota upon, we have to apply here identities a plus b whole square, that is 4 plus iota square plus 4 iota. Yes, now 1 minus 7 iota upon iota square value minus 1, so what will be here, 4 minus 1 plus 4 iota, right? 4 minus 1 that is 3, so 1 minus 7 iota upon 3 plus 4 iota, correct? Now we have to convert this into standard form. फर्स्ट हमारा काम है कि इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कर लें। कैसे करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाय इट्स कॉन्जुगेट, सो दैट विल बी 1 minus 7 iota upon 3 plus 4 iota into 3 minus 4 iota, 3 minus 4 iota, right? Okay, multiplied, what will be here, 3 minus 4 iota minus 21 iota minus minus plus 28 iota square overall upon 9 minus 16 iota square. What I did here, a plus b, a minus b applied, so a square 3 square 9 and b square 4 iota square means 4 square 16 and iota square. We have to change that iota square by minus 1, we have to replace iota square by minus 1, So we can write here 3 minus 4 iota minus 21 iota. What will be minus 25 iota? Minus 25 iota. 28 iota square minus 28 9 plus 16. Why? मैंने बता चुका iota square is equal to minus 1. In the place of iota square have to replace by minus 1. 28 3. What will be? That will be 28 3. That will be minus 25 and minus 25 iota. Overall upon what is 25. Yes. अब क्या करना है? Now what will do? See, 25 take the common. यहाँ से 25 common लेते हैं. That will be equal to 25 taken common minus 1 minus iota upon 25. This is the cancel. Right? अब तो आ गया होगा आपको. क्यों? मैथ आसान है ना? ऐसा फील होता होगा जरूर. हम सुन रहे हैं आपकी आवाज़, आप लोगों की आवाज़ हम सुन रहे हैं. ओके, गुड. नाउ minus 1 minus iota. अब क्या करना है? वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू पोलर फॉर्म. दैट इसको पोलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना. हाउ कैन यू कन्वर्ट इनटू पोलर फॉर्म? चेक इट. x इक्वल टू minus 1, x equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Both are negative. आप बताइए किस क्वाड्रेंट में यह लाई करेगा? बिकॉज बोथ आर नेगेटिव. दिस विल लाई इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. तीसरे में होगा. मीन्स दिस इज द x एक्सिस एंड दिस इज y एक्सिस. सपोज दिस इज द -1 मान लेते हैं. सपोज दैट. चलिए, दिस इज द p -1 ठीक. आपको ये एंगल निकालना है. ये दैट विल बी निगेटिव. क्यों? क्योंकि अपोजिट है. क्या प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू है? -π to π. ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में आ गया है. हमारा होना कहाँ चाहिए? -π to π. सपोज दिस इज द अल्फा, है ना? सो व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यू? 1 एंड दिस वैल्यू व्हाट इज 1. मतलब लेंथ देखेंगे तो 1 दिस इज द 1. हाइट एंड बेस बोथ आर 1. So we have to find the tan alpha. So tan alpha equal to height upon base. That means 1/1 modulus 1/1. That is equal to 1. For which value this will satisfy? किसके लिए? π/4 के लिए सेटिस्फाई करेगा. 45 डिग्री के लिए. ओके. हमको क्या चाहिए? दिस आर्गुमेंट एंगल चाहिए टू कन्वर्ट इनटू द पोलर फॉर्म. दैट निकल जाएगा ना? यस. कैसे? दिस थीटा इक्वल टू -π minus alpha करेंगे. तो दैट इज इक्वल टू -π minus π/4. दैट इज इक्वल टू 3π/4. सही है ना? इज इट करेक्ट? Is it correct? Yes, correct. So we found that this argument of complex number and r को निकालेगा जी. r equal to under root x square plus y square. What will be that is? under root 2 हो जाएगा. तो आपको r मिल गया और argument एंगल मिल गया. argument of complex number मिल गया. Then we have to write into the what is the polar form. that So polar form what will be? Z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So Z is equal to r value what will be? Root 2 cos minus 3 pi by 4 have to take here plus iota sin minus 3 pi by 4. Yes, student, this was the question for today. Now from next day I will start the next topic. So rest question you do the practice. Thanks.